How to live stream to Facebook page with Prism Live Studio. Let's get started. Open the Prism Live Studio on your device. Then simply click on the Ready option available there. After you click on the Ready, then Prism Studio will show you various apps to get connected with. Tap on the Facebook account. Then simply connect your Facebook with Prism. Follow the prompts to log in and authorize Prism Live Studio to access your Facebook account. Once your Facebook account is connected, you should be able to select the Facebook page you want to live stream to. Then this option is usually available within the app setting or broadcast settings. And there you can see Start Now option available with your Facebook connected, and that is it. Following this step should allow you to successfully live stream to your Facebook page using Prism Live Studio. Make sure you like, subscribe to our channel, and thank you for watching.